Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we are going to share the referral opportunities also with you. So let me share those details. So first is there is a requirement for senior SDET role, that is SDET 2, and they have a requirement of 3 to 6 years of experience in SDET automation testing. Strong Python automation experience is required. Selenium, PyTest, robot framework, desktop and web-based automation, CI/CD integration experience, API testing exposure would be a plus point. Location is Bangalore. So if you're interested, you can share your profiles at this particular email address. Then EPAM is conducting a face-to-face drive in Hyderabad on 14th of February for the below skill sets. So if you're interested, you can apply for this role. They are basically looking for Java automation testing. Rest assured is mandatory. Experience would be 6 years to 10 years. Notice period is 0 to 90 days. So in order to apply, you can send your updated resume with the following details: total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, current location, preferred location, availability for face-to-face round, yes or no. Then KSolves India is hiring for below mentioned roles. They are hiring for UI UX designer, graphic plus PPT designer, full stack developer, and QA engineer, mandatory manual plus automation experience, 3 to 5 years of experience, and the location is Noida. And you can drop your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for SDET role. So LiveRamp is hiring for an experienced SDET. And in this role, you'll be partnering closely with the engineering, product, and release teams. So you'll be working on end-to-end automation, doing performance testing. So they are looking for 5 plus years and as an enterprise level SDET, strong coding skills in Python or Java, experience with automation, JMeter, and cloud test environments. So here is a link to apply. CGI is hiring for multiple roles, and the roles are for API testing, ETL testing, functional testing, automation testing. So what you have to do is you have to visit the CGI careers portal. So let me share those details with you first. So let me show you what are the different opportunities with CGI company. Okay. So please, maybe it is not visible. Uh, So these are the roles with respect to CGI company. They are hiring for lead test engineer, senior automation testing Selenium, associate consultant automation testing, senior test engineer automation testing, test lead automation testing, test automation engineer. These are all related to Hyderabad roles. And with respect to Bangalore, you have senior test engineer manual testing, senior test engineer automation testing, lead analyst test lead, senior test engineer automation testing, senior test engineer shared services, automation testing. So Bangalore as well as for Hyderabad, you have the job openings. Let me show you other roles as well. Okay, so this is with respect to Mumbai and Chennai. There's Hyderabad, there's Bangalore. Okay, so referrals are available. I'll now share the referral details also with you. So hmm, here is the referral detail. What you have to do is you have to visit the careers portal and create an account, search using the job ID that have been showed to you in the flyer, upload resume plus add up to 5 skills, enter PAN card details and add this particular referral email address. That would be easy for you, right? Submit application, and once submit, you'll receive the referral request and process it. So HR will connect if your profile is shortlisted. Then there is a role for software testing. It is a remote as well as Bangalore and hybrid also it can be done. So here is the email address and the responsibilities are end-to-end mobile testing, manual testing of web and mobile applications, create and execute test cases, identify and report bugs with clear steps, do functional testing, regression and usability testing. Skills required would be functional testing, QA process, ability to write clear bug reports, familiarity with browser dev tools, and that will be important. Then there is a requirement for banking domain professionals. AQM Technologies is the name of the company. Experience required is 3 to 5 years. Location would be Mumbai, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately. or candidates serving notice period can also do. So preferred experience would be credit card and home loans domain, corporate loans and fintech exposure, applications like FlexCube, BankCS, or similar banking platforms that is required. So if you're interested, you can share your profiles at this email address. Then there's a requirement for Akamai Technologies, and they are hiring for Python developer. The experience required is 0 to 3 years. Salary is up to 15 LPA. Location is remote. So this is a remote role, plus it is a role for the fresher, right? These days, it's very rare to get a fresher role with work from home with remote opportunity, right? So this is like that. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer, Java, Selenium, SQL, again, remote role. And here are the details. So you can share your resume on this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for software tester manual, and the experience required is 3.5 to 4 plus years. Location is Gurugram. So you can share your CV at this email address. They are looking for someone who can do testing, web, mobile, test case, test scenario preparation, functional testing, regression testing, defect tracking, understanding of SDLC, STLC, basic knowledge of API testing, strong communication and analytical skills. So all of these things are required, right? So let me again share with you the CGI job opportunities, testing and QA openings, which are there across India, right? So these are the positions across India. Okay, this is with respect to Bangalore, and this is with respect to Hyderabad and Bangalore, Mumbai, and Chennai, right? So these are the open positions. Multiple open positions are there, and you have to use the referral wisely. Okay, so these were few of the job opportunities with respect to testing, right? Apart from that, there is one more job opportunity for the tester, and that is for the manual testing role. So here is a manual testing job opportunity. They are looking for manual tester who is having experience of 1.5 to 5.5 years in Agile, SQL, and Jira. So you can send your latest CV resume to this particular email address, and the contact details are also provided. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.